Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it looks as though the grueling and the brutal conditions in Nigeria has gotten so unbearable that Nigerians have now effectively effected a citizen's arrest against the vice president of the Nigerian state, and I have video evidence of this as well, so please watch on. So guys, I bring you this. Vice President Osinbajo forced to dialogue with Abuja residents after they blocked his convoy on his way to the airport. The convoy of Vice President Yemi Osinbajo was blocked by aggrieved protesters along Umar Musa Yar'Adua Expressway in Abuja today. The protesters blocked the motorcade as the Vice President was heading to the airport when he ran into a barricade at Goza village.
Bless you. Yes to Nigeria! Give it back for Vice President! Bosa. Sir, very quickly, and the whole world will take it today that you have further defined your person.
Gbagi village residents had gathered on the major road connecting the airport to the city. They were protesting the alleged invasion of their land by the military. Osinbajo's security aides could not appease the protesters, forcing the vice president to step out of his car. The vice president's special assistant on media and publicity, Laolu Akande, also confirmed the report in a tweet, saying, on his way to the airport just now, Vice President Osinbajo ran into a group of FCT residents protesting alleged land takeover by the military. He got down, engages the people, proposing to meet with their leaders on the matter and intervene with a view to finding an amicable solution. So as I said, the situation in Nigeria has gotten so grueling and so brutal that Nigerians have now effectively effected a citizen's arrest against the number 2 citizen of the country. Thankfully, they arrested Osinbajo, who is a civilized and an educated man, and he has the wisdom to engage them in a conversation to seek an amicable solution to whatever it is that is aggrieving them. And I'm sure these people are clever enough to know not to attempt to effect a citizen's arrest against the person that they should really arrest, which is Malam Buhari, because of course if they attempted to effect a citizen's arrest against Malam Buhari, we all know what the outcome of that will be. You know, we all know what the outcome of that would be. So Nigerians now, pushed to the very end of their tether, have now started to effect citizens' arrest against the people who have foisted themselves on them as their governor or their government, because these people are foisted on the Nigerian state. They are not of the Nigerian will. So the Nigerians are now, and this is really a new development now. So things got that bad that these people had to brave it to stop the vice president and say to him that, look, this suffering is too much now. This country now is just now unbearable. And they were lucky that the vice president is a civilized man. But now this is now a new development now. So now we're now getting to that stage now where the people are now getting to that point where they can no longer be pushed and they have to turn back at the people doing the pushing. And this is the first turn back. So now what says you? Nigerians effectively affecting or effecting, however you choose to term it, a citizen's arrest against the number 2 citizen of the state. So they held this audience and demanded answers, which I think is a good development. So what is your reading of this situation and what do you make of this? Conversations in the comment section as usual, but before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, click on the bell bell button as well. That way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come have a chat with me. Let me know what you are making of this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section. But here I say peace.